Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I will say that this is quite the tricky chart to talk about because there's a whole lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, there was a bigger pullback today, but that's just a pullback. And I say that because the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being built and put into place over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. That's how a chart remains healthy. And that's also going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. Because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but let's just say that the price actually pulls back further and goes down here to $12.30. Again, not saying it will, but let's say the price goes down there to $12.30. So it comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right here. You'd have a low right there. You'd have lows even lower than that. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, big picture-wise, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do going forward. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, overall, everything is still fine. Now, again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yes, you don't care about these stair steps and things are looking rough for you. But that's why I try to offer up kind of a reference point at the start and a warning saying, hey, I'm going to be talking about this from the big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.